Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issues when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store for your HTC Desire 22 Pro. So to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store, find the Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real game, so to fix this we'll need to go back, click on our profile picture, navigate to the settings and then family, parental controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely or open apps and games and set the PIN code, and right here increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now if we go back and try to find the game, it should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.